We're in Galmington today to show you this 2-bedroom end of terrace property with allocated parking, situated in a great location, just a 10 to 15 minute walk to Musgrove Park Hospital and not much further to the town centre, with a rear garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with your own rental property and you like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.